We are the Group 2 students from St. Therese and we are curious to learn about a multitude of things. We will be dealing with the law of light reflection in this experiment, which specifies that the angle of incidence and reflection must be equal. But is it truly always the case when light interacts with an item in this way? Through this experiment, we shall soon learn whether or not this law is true.
Step 1. Take a comb and use black paper to cover its openings except the middle one.
May music naman.
Step 2. Place the comb perpendicular to the white sheet of paper and light up a flashlight and point it on the opening of the comb from one side. Step 3. Adjust the flashlight in such a way that you should be able to see the light on the white sheet of paper. Step 4. Place the plane surface of the mirror in the path of the light. You should be able to see the reflection of light on the sheet of paper.
Itong sundan mo, oh.
Ang daming kamay kasi.
Ito.
Step 5. Represent each with the incident ray and the reflected ray. Step 6. Draw a straight line representing the normal to the mirror surface. At this stage, you should be able to denote the angle of incidence on the right side and the angle of reflection on the left. Step 7. With the help of a protractor, measure the two angles and determine if they are of the same value.
Step number 8.
Bear in mind that errors may come about while measuring the angles. So, chances are the measurements of the angles will be approximately the same. Measurements were made of the light reflection off of a plane mirror. A small narrow hole was cut in the black paper affixed to the paper, through which a flashlight was shown. The angle at which the light struck and reflected off the mirror was then measured using a protractor.
To measure the white sheet marks angles of incident and reflection, the protractor was set upright against the mirror. The trials measured angles were equal or very similar, which appears to support the law of reflection. Any disparity in the measurements may be attributed to human error and or the ray optics mirror not being properly positioned on the ray table.
Reflection really is crucial in and of itself because it allows us to appreciate the beauty and splendor of the world in which we live. This brings us to the end of our presentation with regards to the law of light reflection. We really hope that this experiment has increased your level of knowledge and understanding of these laws and occurrences. Nevertheless, we are the Group 2 students and we are curious to learn about a multitude of things. Until next time, thank you for watching.